Hey everyone, I am so excited to do this video. I've been waiting to do this for a while. Finally got my genetic testing kit, and I wanted to just kind of show step by step how to collect your sample. Now, this is not type of genetic testing that will tell me what's my ancestry is, what percentage I'm Armenian or Russian or Middle Eastern, whatever. No, this is about your body, what steps you can take to have an optimum health. Tons of information. I'm going to do a completely separate video on that. Once I get my test results back, I will be breaking it down, everything. But right now, I just want to show real quick what you do. So you get a test kit like this. It has a QR code, okay, that you're going to be scanning with your phone camera and register. But first, what's included in it? You open it. It's the FedEx already prepaid to ship it back. This is the actual test kit. And then there's two little paper inserts. One is instructions, step by step, what to do and how to collect it. Very simple. And then this is registering your sample. And there's a couple of things you're gonna have to, it's a sticker, you have to peel it out and put on your sample. So to prepare for your test, make sure don't chew gum for at least an hour before your test. It's best done like in the morning, it makes it easier. Otherwise, we'll get busy throughout the day. So I'm just gonna go and tear up my test and make sure your hands are nice and clean and washed. Pull out the tube. Okay, come like this, really easy. Open. Now, you go on inside the cheek, between your teeth and your cheek, your gums and the cheek. And you just go up and down for about 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do that. And then you take it and you do the other side, same thing for about 30 seconds. Okay, and then you put it back in. That's it. You heard that click, it's sealed. On this paper, it's this little sticker, it's a QR code. It peels it really easily right here. See, it peels it. You just peel that and you stick it on top of your tube you just collected. That's easy. Now, the next thing you do is, here it says you need to write your date of birth. Then what you do, you peel it just like you did before. It's really easy, just kind of peel that. And you're gonna stick it just kind of like this. And then, so what you're gonna do is get your phone, open the camera, go to that QR code, that little thing, you point your camera to it. See, once it scans, this thing shows up, you click on it, it takes you to the website to register your kit. You follow the instructions. So once you're done registering your test kit, you follow the instructions, which is really simple. You just have to put some personal information. Now, what you do, you get your test kit, you pop it in your little tube, close it, and then put that in your FedEx bag that it came. You can seal it and just take it, drop it up to your nearest FedEx location. So it usually takes between 3 and 5 weeks for you to get the results. And actually, you don't get the results, the practitioners. Like if you got a test kit from me, I would be getting the results. and then we'll schedule appointment to analyze, to go over your test results. And it's the most fun and amazing time. I love doing that because you get so much valuable information about your body, what to do, how to do it. It's just broken down. So any questions, please leave a message or send me a message. Be happy to help you any way I can.